On today's edition of Hyundai Helpers, we've got 4 easy tips to get through the summer. Pegasus has already started without us. Our first tip is a simple one. Use a windshield screen to help keep the inside of your car cool from the sun. This will also help keep your dashboard and leather seats from cracking. Wondering how a blanket can keep you cool? Sorry, gonna need to borrow this for a second. Thank you, Gordo. You're a champ. Place a blanket on your seat when you leave your vehicle to keep it out of the sun. Remove it when you return to your car for a much cooler seat. Wow, that's a really popular blanket. On sunny days, turn your steering wheel upside down after you park to keep the part of your wheel where your hands go out of the sun. When you're ready to roll, just turn your steering wheel back to its normal position. Want a cool car before you get in? Just ask Alexa to start your car and lower the AC a few minutes before leaving. And that, my friends, is how you keep it cool during the summer. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips from our helpers.